Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening again. Andito na naman po tayo. We're back. May pinurchase kasi ako online and I think it deserves a review. So, it's a keyboard for today. Nasa likod ko siya. Ayun. But before that, shout out kay Jim Cortez and Martin Aguilar for helping me. So, sila yung tinanungan ko on what keyboard and actually mouse to purchase, no? So, medyo may hassle lang ulit tayo na nangyayari sa buhay natin, no? And we're trying to solve these issues, no? So, pakita ko muna yung problem and pakita ko rin kung ano yung nakuha natin. So, for today, it's just the keyboard. Siguro next will be the mouse. So, eto, wait lang. So, this one is my old keyboard, no? So, binili ko na to before pa. Hindi siya, ayun, merong nagpa-pop up. Very thin lang siya. Simpleng keyboard lang siya. Very thin na mahaba with the numpad, no? I'm not really good with keyboards, but yung problem ko dito is when I'm typing, parang may naiipit na keys. So, specifically itong volume natin. So, ito siya. Ayan. Oops. Ganda nung packaging niya. Ayan. Keychron K8. It's a mechanical keyboard. So, wala siyang numpad dito. Red ang kinuha ko. K8. This is the K8J1 red. So that means medyo yung red raw is yung mga nasa ilalim nito, color red. So hindi siya ganun kaingay. So ito yung packaging niya. Maganda naman. Tignan natin yung likuran niya. Andito yung features. So, the first one, nakalagay dito, let's try to remove the plastic kasi may reflection. Ayan, ganda niya, oh. So, nakalagay dito, TKL layout using the most popular keyboard layout on the market. So, yung layout, I think, is this layout. Dual compatibility. So, ito yung hinahanap natin kasi we're using a Mac. But we're also using a Windows, no, yung office laptop. So, perfecto for me kasi dalawa sila. Wireless is also very important for me, kaya ko siya binili. Kasi ito, if you see, there's a wire. And kung titignan nyo aking setup sa likod, medyo spaghetti na siya. Horror film na yung nandito sa likod. So, marami kasi akong nakakabit. So, I'm trying to go wireless na. The only wireless I have is currently is my Bluetooth speaker. No? So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Sound bar. So, again, wire. So, wireless na siya. Pair up to 3 devices. This I don't really need, no? Battery life, of course, is important kasi wireless tayo. So, battery life niya, ayan, 4 weeks when the backlight is disabled. So, may backlight pala to. Nakita nyo, medyo may ilaw siya. So, hindi naman tayo dyan, no? 15 plus light effects to switch from. Wow! So, ayan. Tignan natin yung loob niya. Okay. Ayan, unbox natin. So, saan ito magagamit? Hindi na magagamit yan. What's this? Please be gentle and make sure to align the pins with the socket properly. Naku po! Ako ata mag-install ito. Hindi ata. Okay, Windows user, nope. Okay, meron tayo ditong manual. connect Bluetooth, blah blah blah. Okay, so shout out again kay Jim. Sorry kung medyo you don't feel na nabigyan ko ng justice itong review na to. Uy, what is that? Ano muna to? Extra, I think these are extra. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa keys. Of course, very important for me is also Type-C. Very important for me. Type-C ang charger niya. Hopefully, problema USB ito. Type-C ito. So, tignan natin kung ano yung papasok sa keyboard. Okay. So, wala nang laman. Ay, meron pa pala. So, meron pa siya. What is this? Guys, pa-comment naman kung ano to. I don't know what this is. I have never used anything like this. Never akong nag-maintain ng keyboards or what. No? So, let me know guys in the comment. Quick comment lang kung ano to. Hindi natin talaga alam. And there's a... What's that? Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. So, manual niya, manual. So, we'll read through that later. Buksan muna natin ito, syempre. So, link on... I'll put the links or link in the description of the video, of course. Oh, meron pa siyang case. Pwede ko ito magamit, no? Para hindi siya mapalikabukan. Tabi muna natin yan. Ayan na siya. Can you hear? Medyo malambot siya. Tapos hindi siya ganun kaingay. Tapos may Bluetooth dito. Ito ata yung how you connect later. Ayan. So, very important for Mac users. The window button. Window. Ayan. So, meron tayong microphone, lights, volume, brightness, daming shortcuts. So, wala siyang numpad, which is fine. And then, paliktarin lang natin quickly. Now, what do we have here? Of course, yung stand niya. I guess, yeah, that's the stand. Para maganda yung angulo. Sa gilid, okay, tignan natin yung gilid. Ayun. So good. Kasi this is the USB-C, Type-C. This is, what's this? Ano nakalagay? Hindi ko mabasa, wait. Ano yun? Anong characters yun? Windows, Android, and Mac. So, naka-default siya to Mac. And then, cable of Bluetooth. So, dito tayo sa Bluetooth. Set na natin siya to Bluetooth. Meron siyang screws. So, if you want to check. Oh, umilaw na siya, guys. Ayun na, umilaw na siya. In-on ko kasi yung Bluetooth. So yun, setup ko lang to and then I'll show you later how it feels, how it really works, no? So it says here pala, just so that you know, hindi masyadong nagpo-focus, no? To connect it to Bluetooth, you press the function key and the number 1. So ito. Tapos lalabas na siya sa Bluetooth natin. So, Keychron K8 connect. So basically, that's how you connect it to Bluetooth. Ayan. Meron ata tong aluminum version. Hindi yan yung kinuha ko ata. Kasi this is just hard plastic. So, ito na. Naka-connect na ako. So, let's try to type. Oh, sarap. Masarap siya guys, masarap siya pindutin. Dito talaga walang kwenta. Pero pag naka-mechanical ka, ito yung sinasabi nila Jim na nakaka-addict mag-type. So, ang suggestion ko, if you have a paper to write, no, or documentation, no, if you're in tech, kuha kayo mechanical keyboard, sobrang gaganahan kayo. Gaganahan talaga kayo mag-type. So yan, iniwan natin yung yung ating plastic cover para lang maprotektahan siya. So hahanapin ko muna where I can see yung options natin for light. Kasi pwede mo raw palitan yan. I-ano ko rin, gawin kong darker sa room para makita natin yung light mamaya. So guys, ganito yung default color niya, medyo rainbow. So to change the color, just hit this button. So parang it's a light bulb button. Try natin. Yan, nag-off. Yun. Nakakatuwa naman to. Oh, panalo pala tong mga ganito eh, no? Para akong bata na naglalaro. Oh. Uy, parang okay to ah. Pero hindi siya gumagalaw. Naka-off na. Hanap lang ako ng hindi masyadong... Uy! Rainbow bright! Wow! Yan! Yan ang gusto natin. Ganda, no? Then, meron rin siyang, if you want to turn off the backlight, ito lang. There's parang... I thought this is yung brightness ng monitor, no? But it's actually the backlight pala. So as I press, namamatay siya. As I press this, bumubuhay siya. Or you can do function plus the light bulb. Yan, mamatay na siya. So ganun siya kadali. Meron pa siyang ibang features like mapping, switch between functions and multimedia keys, remap keys, activate Siri. I don't wanna do that. Hindi ako ganun ka-advanced. Simple lang tayong mamamayan. So I think that's it, no? I really like it so far. So syempre mga bagong ganito, keyboard is, I'm in tech, so I'm always in front of my workstation. So the keyboard and the mouse, yan yung lagi nating hinahawakan. So it really it requires some time to also get used to, because I'm used to this old Jurassic keyboard, no. But what I siguro, just comparing them, no, what I like this better is, of course, it's very thin lang, although it's not less lightweight, pero manipis lang siya. At saka may numpad siya. But ito kasi ginagamit ko rin to when I'm working on Excels. But this is way modern. Well, not really modern kasi 'di ba, may parang old school feel siya, may pagka-retro feel siya. Ito yung mga keyboards namin nung unang panahon. So, but I'm again, I need to get used to this, no. But so far the strokes, that when I press the keys there, it's really parang may sense of enjoyment siya. Masarap yung feeling niya, parang nakaka-fulfill mag-type ng words and stuff like that. So I think that ends my review of this Keychron K8. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe if you have the time for more videos. Bye!